I had a craving for Asiago and cinnamon crunch bagels, so I decided to make some. First, you're gonna add the yeast, sugar, and warm water to a bowl. Set that aside for 5 minutes while you measure out the flour. Once the sugar's dissolved, you're gonna add that back into the flour with some additional water and stir it until a dough is formed. Then turn it out onto a countertop and knead the dough for 10 minutes until a firm round ball is formed. Is anyone else listening to Beyonce's new album on repeat? Because clearly I am.
Look at that horse, look at that horse, look at that horse. My DNA. Look at my mama's straight things that I know.
This is actually a nice little workout. Once you're done kneading the dough, you're going to want to place it into a lightly oiled bowl. Make sure you coat it on both sides. Then you're going to cover it and place it in a warm place for about an hour until it doubles in size. After an hour, you're going to punch it down and let it rest for 10 minutes. While you're doing that, you can make the cinnamon crunch mixture, which is just white sugar, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Then you're going to want to divide the dough into 8 even pieces. Next, you're going to form it into a ball before forming it into a bagel by sticking your finger in the middle and stretching it out about twice the size. Then you're going to cover that with a damp rag and let it rest for 10 minutes. You can add cornmeal to your pan so that they don't stick. And then you're going to add the bagels into the boiling water with honey and a little baking soda. I added an egg wash to just make sure that the toppings stuck and baked it for about 20 minutes at 425 degrees. Look how delicious these look. It's one of my favorite breakfast foods.